Welcome! Frozen yogurt rolls. Let's start making frozen yogurt rolls. So many ingredients. Chocolate balls. Use a steel spatula to smash the ingredients. Mixing and spreading the yogurt evenly till frozen. Let's choose a nice-looking container. Roll up the yogurt with a spatula. Squeeze cream on the rolls. Knead a dough and make some cookies to decorate the yogurt rolls. Which pattern of cookies do you like? Let's bake cookies. These freshly baked cookies smell nice. Yogurt rolls will taste even better with cookies. Last step, let's add more toppings. Wow, the delicious yogurt rolls are ready. Let's serve our guests. This ice dessert is gorgeous. It might result in stomach ache when eating too much ice treats. Wow, you've got a that's great. These are pieces of a dessert cart. Welcome. Hello, can you make me this marshmallow ice cream? First, let's get the ingredients ready for the milk. Whipping cream. Sugar. Egg. Use a bottle to suck up the yolk. Phew. 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 Blender. There are so many flavors. Which rainbow candy flavor? Rainbow candy flavor. Top it with the crispy chocolate bars. We also need to make the soft marshmallow. Which shape of marshmallow do you like? Oh, let's roll the marshmallow. It tastes even better with decorations. The marshmallow ice cream is ready. It looks great. This is the best frozen dessert I've ever had. It might result in stomach ache when eating too much ice treats. Wow! That's great! These are pieces of a dessert cart. Wow! We've got a new dessert cart. The dessert cart has been upgraded. Let's go to the next place to sell desserts. Welcome! Mew Mew, please give me an extra large portion of dessert.